The Power of the Dog by Don Winslow follows DEA agent Art Keller in his long-running pursuit of Mexican drug lord Adán Barrera. As Barrera builds a powerful drug empire, Keller becomes increasingly focused on bringing him down. Their conflict involves cartels, corruption, violence, and personal revenge, spanning several decades. The novel explores the growth of the drug trade and the consequences it has for both the people involved and those caught around them. A gripping and detailed crime novel with complex characters and realistic storytelling make it an engaging, though quite lengthy, read. My rating is 4 out of 5.